Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Infiniti QX80 garage door opener. First, let's prepare for programming. You'll need to clear any existing memory in your home link system. Simply press and hold the two outer home link buttons for approximately 10 seconds until the indicator light begins to flash. Make sure your handheld garage door remote has new batteries for optimal signal strength. Finally, park your vehicle close to your garage door. Now, let's program a fixed code remote. Hold your handheld garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Using both hands, simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button and your handheld remote button. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow blink to a rapid blink or becomes solid. A solid light confirms successful programming for fixed code systems. If your home link indicator light blinks rapidly for 2 seconds and then turns solid, you have a rolling code system. For this, you'll need to synchronize with your garage door opener. Locate the Learn or Program button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually near the antenna wire. Press and release this button. You have about 30 seconds to complete the next step. Quickly return to your QX80 and firmly press and release the home link button you just programmed up to 3 times. If you encounter any difficulties, don't worry, there are a few things to try. If programming doesn't work initially, try adjusting the distance of your handheld remote from the home link buttons by 1 or 2 inches. Always double-check that your handheld remote has fresh batteries. If you cannot locate your garage door opener's Learn button, refer to its owner's manual. For further assistance, HomeLink offers dedicated customer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.